Welcome back to the Alaska Mapping Challenge video tutorial for the Service Latency Challenge. By now, you will have reviewed the definitions of the 6 different types of service challenges for a broadband serviceable location. The latency challenge is used if the round-trip latency of the broadband service exceeds 100 milliseconds. Please note, if you are not subscribed to the highest tier of service offered at your location, a latency challenge is not valid, even if the speeds at your current subscription level do not meet those that are advertised. For example, if you are subscribed to a plan that advertises 25 download, 3 upload, and you are not able to achieve those speeds, if there is a higher tier service package of, for example, 75 download and 20 upload available to you to which you are not subscribed, you may not submit a challenge. The first question under this challenge is, what is the maximum advertised download speed in Mbps available from the provider at this location? Please enter the speed as indicated. Next, you must answer the maximum advertised download speed of the location's subscribed internet plan. To be considered a valid challenge, the maximum advertised speed available from the provider at this location and the maximum advertised speed of the location's current subscription must be the same. Challengers must submit proof in the form of a billing statement showing the subscribed service tier at the location. If the speeds are not the same, please discontinue submitting a latency challenge. Entities submitting latency service challenges must submit 3 speed tests, which simultaneously measure latency. Latency is defined on a speed test as the ping reaction time. Speed tests may not be older than 60 days prior to the start of the challenge process, and they must be taken on 3 separate days. The portal contains 3 locations to input the ping reaction time in milliseconds, shown here on the screen now. Speed tests can be administered by going to https://speedtest.net or by following the link shown here in the portal. Finally, evidence supporting a challenge must be uploaded in the space provided. As shown in the portal, several common file types are accepted. To ensure appropriate examples of evidence are being provided, please click on the link titled Types of Acceptable Evidence, found here. For the Latency Service Challenge, you will need to upload a screenshot of each of the 3 speed tests showing the latency results. The screenshot must include the time and date of the test and show the provider-assigned IP address of the residential gateway, either IPv4 or IPv6 format. To help with this, a speed test is being run on the screen right now to provide an example. Click the link in the portal https://speedtest.net. Once the page loads, click the Go button in the middle of the page. It will take a few seconds to connect. First, the download speed will be measured, then the upload speed. When complete, a box will appear showing both speeds. Just below those speeds, you will see the word ping, followed by a yellow circle. Next to the yellow circle is the latency measurement. Once you have copies of your speed tests with the latency results and a copy of your bill for internet service as acceptable evidence, please upload it by clicking on the box that reads Drop File Here or select File. Once the evidence documentation is uploaded, click the Submit button. Upon completing a successful submission, you should see a white checkmark in a green circle above the text that reads, "Great, your data was sent successfully." Thank you for watching the Alaska Mapping Challenge Portal video tutorial. Additional questions should be directed to the Alaska Broadband Office by email at ced.abo.alaska portal.general@alaska.gov with the subject line Challenge Portal Assistance.